particular subject. Okay, so just go ahead. What exactly you got it? Just explain to them.
So the same file with name, address, pen number, and form number, status, individual, and all.
So keep in
There is
mind
a
we are
file.
speaking PAN number. तो
Yeah,
उसमें
sir.
क्या रहेगा? नेम ऑफ एसएससी, ठीक है, पैन नंबर, लीगल स्टेटस एंड रेसिडेंशियल स्टेटस. सेम वे
Yes.
वी विल गो एज इट इज. आपको सब में ये सारी चीजें, ऐसा नहीं कि आज बोलोगे कल टेक्स्ट बुक में. आप जाके देखो हमारे वेबसाइट पे टेक्स्ट बुक है. You will find as it is what Prachi is talking about today. Okay? Yes, beta. Go ahead.
The first is the personal information and the acknowledgement number. Second is the computations in the income and the taxation in theory. In that theory, there has been gross total income, total deductions on chapter 6A, total income, deemed total income under AMT and MAT, which is 3A. Then net tax payable 4. Then net interest and fees payable 5. Total tax, interest, and fee payable 6. Then there is a file of tax paid. In that, there is a file of advance tax, which is 7A, TDS 7B, TCA, TCS 7C, self assessment tax 7D, which total got like total tax paid is 7A plus 7B plus 7C plus 7D, which is 7E in the right side of the bracket. Then there have a tax payable, which is 6 minus 7E. Refund is 7E minus 6. Then last is the assumption income. In there is a sub income of agriculture and other tax. And last the file has been made.
Okay. Can you tell me
Hello.
before gross total income what exactly you are finding? What is the total of gross total income? Are you getting the segregation of that? Are you in a position to get the segregation of gross total income? How actually gross total income arrives? Is it a business income? Is it a house property income? Is it a salary income? Is it mentioned there?
No, sir.
Okay, very nice. Okay, someone else?
Sir, I also have.
Yes, Subham, please go ahead, Vita.
Can I present it?
Yes, why not? Why not? Wait. Please go ahead. You need to unmute Subham, then only. Yes, absolutely right. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes. Yes. Superb. So now the first thing you must have seen this gross total income. How to get this gross total income is very important. Do we have it's working available to someone? Okay. So this still here it is our semester 3. This TDS, that is tax deducted at source, TCS tax credited at source. These are semester 4. Thank you Subham, thank you very much, and give my regards to your parents. Anyone else? Very interesting. बहुत मजा आ रहा है पढ़ने में. Okay. I believe we had syllabus with us. We also have bridge course material with us. Am I right? I am going to refer that. So this is last year. Current year's bridge course I have already shared with you all. Just go through. I think something like this you must have got. Okay. After doing all this, you will get gross total income. That means gross total income is nothing but income from salary, income from house property, income from business and profession, income from capital gain, and income from other sources. And that is what is our syllabus is. And then chapter A, section 80, net taxable income. This is all I have discussed. Rebate, TDS, TCS, सेल्फ असेसमेंट, ये चीज दिखा आपको. और देखिए आपके ब्रिज कोर्स में ये चीजें मैंने एज इट इज दी है. What will be tax slab, that is also mentioned there. Clear है? Okay. This we wanted to share that we are going to learn exactly which is practically applicable in income tax office or practically followed by any SSC for filing their returns. Okay. I hope this is giving you the gravity of the subject. This is giving you the importance of the subject. So please do not learn this subject only to clear your SY batch. Learn this subject to implement forever and ever in your life. Clear hai? Now let us understand certain basic of tax. What do you think that in our syllabus we have Income Tax Act 1961? So before 1961 there were no tax?
There were taxes. Taxes have been in existence since the British have came to India.
Only from British?
No, sir. It was like even taxes. The concept of taxes has been in India like for 1,000 or something years. Like taxes have always been there. No, sir. We can go. As many years back we want to, and we'll still find taxes.
Anyone else has any different perception about it as far as taxation is concerned? I believe Ashutosh is absolutely right. You just refer a movie Lagan. Lagan, how many of you have seen? देखा है आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
This talks about it is historical movie. It talks about British times taxation system, which was imposed on us. Agreed? Hai? Okay. How many of you have seen Jodha Akbar? Thereby you have found a character named called Todermal, and Todermal was deputed Jajia Kar Lagao. So at the time of Britishers, the nomenclature was Lagan. At the time of Mughal, the nomenclature was Kar. Okay. Prior to that, if you see the Chanakya book, Chanakya Arthashastra, he has used the word Chungi. Okay. Prior to that, if you will see the, if you have happened to see the movie Mohenjo-daro, I mean Ritik is the lead character और एक नई हीरोइन थी, याद है? वो मगर वगैरह का स्टोरी है, and then मोहनजोदारो के स्टेट में जाता है, he used to produce the नील वाला पहले उसको रखता है, and then he is allowed to get inside, and then certain segments were there. याद आ रहा है क्या ऐसा कुछ मूवी? याद है? So even Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, what we talk about the basic civilization of mankind, at that point of time also, There was tax structure. And as Asutosh has stated, I am telling you, since civilization, if you will see the Vedas, Puranas, there also you'll find the concept of, we talk about God Kuber. He was a finance minister. Okay, he used to look after entire finance. So there also the concept of taxation is there. So it's not like from 1961. Now tell me why taxation is required? (1819) No, Sankalp. I think I have given you 21, 22. Please see your WhatsApp group. I have shared everything. I have shared your syllabus. I have shared your timetable. I have said so many things. Even though I was busy with so many stuff, but before starting your session, I have done my duty very properly. If you are there in your group only. Am I right or not, children? सबको मिला है. There are two new subjects, cost accounting and taxation. There will be a bridge course. है कि नहीं? Both the material I have created and I have shared to you all. I don't know where you are referring, or you are, and there are not so many messages also in your group. Of course, since yesterday it is increased because of lectures, but prior to that, when we have said, only few messages were there. Please check, otherwise you can talk to your friends, they will help you out. It is particularly receipt of 1819. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. So there is no much difference between 1819, but yes, there is a difference. The structure, every year tax is changing. That is why I have not uploaded the current textbook. Since last 15 days we are struggling and we are changing the assessment year, previous year. Many things in taxation get changed. Only your bridge course material took me almost 7 days to revise. So taxation is not very easy task. That is why you'll find very rare teacher is teaching this subject. Because every year you need to learn. It is not like finance and tax costing. Since year it is same. उसमें कोई changes आता ही नहीं है. ठीक है. You start opening stock in trading debit in foundation of CA till CA final, it will be opening stock trading debit only, nothing new. But what you talk about 1819, entire thing got changed in 21, 22. This kind of two slabs were not there. Slab structure were different. 30% tax slab was there for 10,000 and more, 10 lakhs and more income. So many changes take place. Okay, so we were talking about why there is a need of tax. Why basically we require taxation.
Because sir,
yeah, one by one. Achha, Asutosh, let Sankalp speak something. Huh? Let us give them also chance. And I will be happy if you can put your camera on. Again and again I am requesting. Then you will also enjoy learning. I will also enjoy teaching. Because I wanted to create a virtual classroom feeling. There should be eye contact. I can make out Sweta, Isha, Prachi, Ashutosh, कि क्या बोल रहे, कैसे रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, हमको सब पता चल रहा है. तो बाकी बच्चे जिन्होंने वीडियो मोड ऑफ रखा है, I think only one way communication, not two way communication, and that is very dangerous. Yes, Sankalp, please go ahead. बोल ही नहीं रहा है। आशुतोष प्लीज।
Sir, the need of taxes is basically for the people in authority. They need money to run the country or the area they are governing. So like taxes are the basic source of income for them.
This is one part. Prachi.
Government also to raise the standard of the living of the citizens who are very backward or poor.
That is also one part. Anyone else? I told you, it started from civilization. Just correlate with, see, whenever I see the movie, no, I always keep it for my example. Why Ritik wanted to go inside that Harappa city? Because there was a civilization, there was facilities, there were good, very good infrastructure, there were trading. Yes or no? जिन्होंने देखा है, they can correlate.
But so people were exploited for the agriculture work.
Done. They were exploited without paying the tax. Even here also, who wants to stay in Mumbai, they are to be exploited. बगैर चेक नाका में पैसा दिए बॉम्बे के टेरिटरी में आप घुस नहीं सकते, सही है? But here you will get 24/7 electricity, water, everything. Go to little ahead, Virar also there is one day load setting. पूरा का पूरा दिन लाइट नहीं रहता है, समझ में आ रहा है? तो एक्सप्लॉइटेशन तो अभी भी है, फॉरगेट अबाउट मोहनजोदारो, होगा ही। Okay, I told you, for civilization, for facilities, as much as you pay, that much returns you will get. Ashutosh stated for their administrative staff. Yes, think about without police, without hospitals, without government support, we could be in a position to fight COVID. Try to understand the gravity of taxation. So many people getting that vaccination free of cost. Till 45 at least here. If you go to other state, everything it is free. And people who are paying 800, 900, 1500, kitna gali de raha hai? Try to understand the power of tax and the facility what we get. Yeah, I'm telling you, because if you talk about civilization, without taxation, not possible. If you don't want to pay tax, be there where there is uncivilized. Do you think ISI is paying certain tax? And do you think they are civilized people? They have that kind of civic culture, civic structure.
So even the Naxalwadi of India never pay taxes.
But they are paying. जो भी वो खाना खाता है, चाय पीता है, सब पे टैक्स भरता है, चाहे वो नक्सल हो, चाहे वो टक्सल हो। मैं बोला ना, टैक्स से कोई नहीं बच सकता, नॉट इवन गॉड। जितने भी हैं मंदिर, जितने भी है चर्च, जितने भी गुरुद्वारा है, they all are filing returns and all gods are paying tax. मैं बोला ना, भगवान भी नहीं बच सकता इससे, इसलिए टैक्स ऐसा चीज है, कोई नहीं बच सकता, including President of India. They are also paying tax because they are also withdrawing salary. Very clear funda hai life ka. Tax is everywhere. It's like air. It's like water. If you want to be in civic society, if you don't want, go somewhere deep, dense jungle where there are lion or lioness waiting for you. There won't be any tax. But think about your life. Think about facilities. On the top of Himalaya, there won't be any tax, but there will not be any network also. And without mobile, think about your life. Don't laugh, I'm telling you. It's a fact. समझ में आ रहा है? What I mean to take it from it. So taxation is must. As effective as you found the society, that high amount of tax you need to pay. Why Mumbai people getting everything? Because highest amount of tax collection is from Mumbai city. मालूम है मुंबई कभी एजिटेशन करता है तो क्या बोलता है हम 2 दिन का टैक्स नहीं देगा, पूरा गवर्नमेंट हिल जाता है, नहीं बाबा जो मांगता है दे दो. Try to understand power of tax. And it's there across the globe. Whosoever has visited different countries, I visited more than 10 countries. Everywhere tax is there. Without tax, you cannot survive. You can't survive. Administration, what Asutosh has stated, is one aspect. Healthcare is another aspect. Education is another aspect. Defense is the most important aspect. Otherwise, you know how your neighbor loves India. May it be China, may it be Pakistan. सबको बहुत प्यार है. And what will be your life? Think about Xinjiang or Hong Kong, what is happening there. Understanding? So the most important is defense. And likewise, okay, suppose we stay in a rented house. We pay 24,000, 40,000 rent for that 700, 800 square feet. What about after that? The road what we use, the street light what we use, the police protection what we get. From where we get? This all belongs to whom? This all belongs to us. Yes, us. We paid bloody money and then only it has been constructed. Yes or no? People like us, we all pay across India. We are paying tax. उसी पैसे से बनता है ना, as you have rightly stated. Infrastructure किसके पैसे से? मोदी जी अपना बापू के पैसे से निकाल के दिए? नहीं. It is our money. And that is why we all of us we are using. A generation is going to use. So as much as you pay, like in developed country, underdeveloped country, developing country, we talk. Just think how high amount of tax we have in developed country. कितना मिले, इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा, ऐसा कोई ऐड आता है एमटीवी बीटीवी पे आता है ना? वैसे ही है. जितना ज्यादा आप टैक्स भरोगे उतना ज्यादा फैसिलिटी आपको मिलेगी. मुंबई में आप बहुत ज्यादा टैक्स भरते हो इसलिए आपको मिलता है. धानु वलसाड़ में नहीं मिलता है. धानु वलसाड़ का हालत देखो. और इंटीरियर चले जाओ, सतारा में और नहीं टैक्स भरता है और हालत खराब है. आप बोलते हैं नेक्सलाइट लोग टैक्स नहीं भरते, उनकी जिंदगी देखो क्या हालत है. ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, ना रोड है, ना मेडिकल फैसिलिटी है. अब देखो कैसे वो लोग जिंदगी जी रहे. Yes or no? So I told very clear crystal line. For civilization, since civilization, taxation is there. And it is required. It is required for entire civil society. For everything. For all amenities. Why student pay very high amount of fees and taking admission in Thakur? Many a times they pay donation also taking. This is the first college again I'm telling you. Go and check. Your friends must be learning in different colleges. कौन से कॉलेज में लेक्चर चालू है बताइए? कांदीवली विसिनिटी हैज मोर देन 5-6 कॉलेजेस. ना केईएस में हुआ है, ना निर्मला में हुआ है, ना डीटीएस, कहीं नहीं हुआ है. देख लो. बिकॉज वी केयर. और मैं बताता हूँ, वी गेव 6.5 लाख का पैकेज. पूछ लो कौन से कॉलेजेस में 6.5 लाख का पैकेज मिला है किसी बच्चे को. आई कैन चैलेंज. फॉरगेट अबाउट कॉलेज, एमबीए इंस्टीट्यूशन में नहीं मिलता इतना अच्छा पैकेज. Because grooming is such. Why we prefer to go in AC sleeper class or AC 3 tier? क्या क्या बोलते हो आप लोग? Now we travel through flights. Why? Because we want to have the comfort in life. We want to spend very little time on traveling. Understood or not? So it is very much correlated. It is very much correlated. As much as I pay, that much I'm going to get a return. It's not like US people as is paying less amount. They pay huge amount of tax. आप तो compute करके देते हैं. उनका तो सब deducted है. Go and check in Google. You will get an idea. Like GST, जैसे आप लोग अभी how you talk about, they never compute, and that is what is going to come in this as far as Indian tax structure is concerned. We have already ready with DTC, that is direct tax code, and there won't be any salary, house property, nothing will be there. There will be only BTT. What is BTT? Banking transaction tax. बस खत्म, उसमें सब आ जाएगा. जो नहीं करेगा, गरीब को नहीं देना है ना टैक्स. गरीब वैसे भी नहीं बैंकिंग ट्रांजैक्शन करता है. करता है क्या? करेगा, उसको भी टैक्स लगेगा. जितने बड़े कॉर्पोरेट है, जितना ज्यादा, तो देन दिस करप्शन विल go out from the system. It will abolish from the system. I'm challenging in days to come, when the same government, if at all coming back to India, 200% you will be finding there won't be income. सोचो 1961 कितने जन, मैं भी खुद नहीं पैदा हुआ था, आप लोग कितने जन थे? उस टाइम का सिस्टम चलेगा क्या? 1961 में हार्डली ट्रांजिस्टर वाज देयर. आज हर के हाथ में मोबाइल फोन है. वो सिस्टम चलेगा क्या? Such a old structure. Today things are totally changed. GST we accept because it is 2017 Act. चलो हम लोग सब थे तभी. Yes or no? We will accept. And that is also not yet established. Till the date amendments are taking place in GST. Day before yesterday also GST council meeting was there. This is what is required in any act or any system for development of nation, for development of citizen, for progress and for growth. Getting everyone? Making sense? So I don't know till when I'll get the opportunity to teach, but I'll try to complete as much as I can. उतना बेस आपको बना के डेफिनेटली जाऊंगा टैक्सेशन का, कि आपको ईज हो जाए. लास्ट टाइम आई डिड एरर. ऑडिटिंग लास्ट में पढ़ाया, पहले पढ़ाया रहता तो इट वुड हैव बीन ईज फॉर यू टू कैरी ऑन द शो. This time I started from the beginning. Okay. So I hope all of you must have cleared semester 1 and semester 2. किसी को कोई केटी वेटी है? Anyone with KT? Okay, if at all you have KT, there is certain rules, regulation. Why I'm telling you, please ask those rules and regulations so that it should not create problem future. I don't want that you should have KT. Okay, second thing, if you have cleared, kindly make the payment of fees as early as possible. Those who have paid, very good. You are again safe in your division. Your roll number might differ here or there. जैसे जैसा मिलते जा रहा है, and again there will be admission. Will allot you the roll numbers. First come first serve basis. हो सकता है A वाला D में चला जाए, D वाला A में आ जाए. We don't know. Okay. So that is what first come first serve basis it is. Till then, till my next lecture, be at home, be safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Okay? Again we will come and we'll meet with new treasure hunt as our next lecture. Okay? As direct exercise. So bye, be safe, be at home and attend all lectures which have been scheduled as per your timetable. Okay?